Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dandaman app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for your list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, so then here you're looking for Dandaman app. Or just click on search. Then here at Dandaman, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for Dandaman, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.